You are on mute.
Sir, I am sharing.
Okay. So Divija, you know we have to go to the Scratch website, correct? And Ishan, probably you can watch today, and I will share recording. Then you can practice it also. Okay. This is first time for you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Krivish, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So today we are going to create a game. All right. So we'll have some fun today. I'm just waiting for Karan to.
So I'll start.
Is this your own laptop, Karan, or someone else's laptop?
No, it's I mostly use it, but it's not mine.
Okay. All right. So our game would be, and then I'll just explain you what the game would be. We will have a ball, football. Then we will have. Shit, what happened? We'll have a ball. Then we will have a. I can't draw on your machine, man. Okay, now. And then we'll have a boy. Okay.
Yeah.
Then there would be a ground over here. Okay. This ball will go here, here. Okay. There. It can go anywhere. The ball can go anywhere.
Yes.
Okay. And our intention in the game is you will move this boy right in. Yeah, Krivish.
There is also one game that we can make that the ball goes and the people has to stop it.
Yes, Krivish. Okay. You have built something like that?
No, I have a game in the mobile like that.
Okay, all right. So we'll move the person on right and left, and we'll make sure this ball should not touch the ground. Okay. If the ball touched the ground, then game over.
Okay.
Okay, so let me repeat the game. We will have a ball, football. We will have a person. Then we will make this person move left and right. And this ball can move anywhere, okay? And then we have a ground at the bottom. If this ball touches the ground, then game over.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now let's start. We will
So
first.
if the excuse me, sir. So if the ball is going down, so the man will place his head and then like that.
Correct. Yes. Yeah. Okay. You all are very intelligent. Okay. All right. So first step would be we have to select two sprite. One sprite would be ball and second would be a boy. So let's search for ball.
Yeah, this is good.
No, you have to search for a ball first. Let's search for ball. And just say, do you have football over here?
Yeah, checking.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, there is.
Okay, let's select that football. And now select the second sprite also. And let's go to people and see if we have any boy in a sports gear.
Yeah, this is good. No, that's
select
this is
Ben.
basketball.
Select
Where?
Ben. Yeah.
Where?
Scroll up.
Scroll up. Yeah, this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Krivish.
Can Karan move his all blocks a bit over side because I'm doing it in half screen.
Okay. Can you see it?
Which blocks?
No, the blocks that he will take for
Yeah.
the
Coding,
ball and
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
coding.
okay, that I will do it.
Sir,
So
there's
we should
even a
read.
girl who is playing football. Her name
Okay.
is Jordan.
Okay, then we will select Jordan. So let's delete Ben.
Sir, we
No,
should
it's
reduce
fine.
this.
Karan is a boy, so he can take a boy.
Okay.
We can reduce this.
Yes, it has.
ball size to around 70.
Okay, so that is all up to you, Karan. Like, okay, so let's first we will reduce. We will do it everything at later. Okay, first we will put the skeleton around it. So we have got our sprite, which is a boy. We have got ball. We still don't have a playing field. Okay, so we'll go to backdrop and see. Do you have a playing field over here?
Excuse me.
Yeah, Krivish.
Can you wait for
Yeah,
2
I
minutes?
guess.
Yeah, sure. Okay, we'll
Let
wait.
it load. Yeah, we have kind of this.
We
can
have
take
2
this.
football courts.
Yeah,
Okay, just select whatever you like as such.
I'll take this. So, yeah, this is good.
But this is for kicking, right? That may not be helpful. Chalo, we'll see. Okay, we'll see. No, not an issue. Okay. Now let's wait for Krivish. How long you want us to wait,
Excuse
Krivish?
me.
Yeah,
Only 2
Krivish.
minutes.
Sure.
We have one more girl named Hannah.
Okay.
But she plays basketball. She doesn't play football.
All right. So what we will do, we'll wait for Krivish to join. Meanwhile, you guys can think about it. Okay.
Yeah, 2 seconds. I'm just taking the sprite and the ball and the things. I can't see the football field anywhere.
You have to
Go
go to
to
outdoors.
backdrops and then
Backdrops there.
outdoors and then or you can search a soccer 1 or soccer 2.
Which?
क्या पूछूं समझ में तो आ रहा है तो फिर क्या पूछूं
Or we can just take a simple play field, I think.
Yes. So you can take whatever you want. Okay. So whatever feel good to you. It's not that you have to follow completely. Whatever you feel is good for you, you can take it.
I can't find it anywhere.
Go to sports.
Sports.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will get all these things. We can select this.
I can just see the butterfly animals and those.
I think you are in Sprite. You have to go to backdrop. We are at the backdrop right now.
Yeah, I can see, but no football field.
Go to soccer.
Can you share your screen, Krivish?
Yes.
Krivish, go in search and write soccer 1 or soccer 2.
Let him share his screen, Karan.
Yeah, here. First, it was in the half screen. That's why I couldn't see it. Maybe.
Okay.
Go to
Go to sports. Sports you
go
can
to sports.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh wait. Why isn't it?
Okay. So now let Karan go back and share the screen.
Yeah.
So sir, what should I choose?
Whatever you feel, man. You can change it later also, correct?
Yeah.
We will not finish it in 1 hour. Okay. All right.
Yeah, okay.
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 So
I'm good.
now we will start coding. Okay.
Yeah.
So very first thing is about ball.
The
Wait.
codes. Can you keep it on the right side?
Yeah, I'll keep it. I remember.
Okay. Let's first code for Ben. Click on Ben.
Ben.
Yeah. And make sure that you move this one. Move 10 steps.
Can you see
Okay.
Krivish?
What?
Can you see the thing
No, a bit more.
now? Oh,
No.
sorry. I was doing it.
Yes, now.
Doing it in the left.
Okay.
Yes.
So what we want to make sure is we are able to move this particular person, correct?
Yeah.
And he will move only in the X direction. With me so far, he's
Yeah.
not going to move in the Y direction. He's going to move only in the X direction.
X. Yeah.
Okay. And this ball, right, what you have, can you place it somewhere else? Because we are not going to kick it straight away, right? Just put it somewhere over here on the top. Okay. And we will not touch the ball right now. We will now only concentrate on the Ben.
Okay.
Okay,
What
so
is the size of it? Of Ben?
Ball size is 70 and the Ben size is 100.
Okay.
I've made the ball 80.
that's okay, not an issue.
I
Okay,
think 70 is good.
I can't see the ball anywhere when I did 80. I mean 70.
Where are you stuck, Krivish?
In the size.
But size we can change later also, right? If we spend more time in
Yeah, I
size, we
see
will
it. I
not
see
complete
it.
our game only, correct?
I see
Okay.
it.
Right. Okay. Now we have to move this person. With me so far?
Yeah.
Okay. For that, we will move it using our mouse. Earlier, we used to move it using our keyboard.
Yeah.
Now we will move it using our mouse. Okay. With me so far?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Krivish.
I also made a game with mouse and cat that the mouse runs and wherever I point the arrow key, it goes like there, but I didn't save it. It
No
was the
problem. So
first
today,
project.
yeah, so
It
today
was
you
my
can
first.
also, yeah, today also you can do that, right? Very good.
I've made many scratches, but I don't know why it's not saving. But I now got it how to save it.
Okay. So we will proceed now or not?
Yeah.
So next 5 minutes, no one will talk. I have to mute everyone. Okay.
Okay.
So Karan, just remove this block. The very first thing what we want to make sure is Ben is going to move using our mouse. Okay. To do that, we will go to motion and scroll down. There would be something called as set, S-E-T, set. Scroll down.
Set to X, right? Set
Yes.
X to.
Correct. Now just drag and drop set X2. Okay. So what we are saying, why we are doing X? Because we want Ben to move in X direction.
Sir, can
Correct.
you remove that X kind of thing?
Can I remove it?
Yeah, by erasing.
Okay. Then we have to change this number. Wait. We have to change this number. Okay.
Sir,
You guys with me?
sir, what about move 10 steps?
No, so I'm coming to that. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to change that number. Okay. Go to sensing.
Then
Sensing block. And drag and drop this mouse X over here
where?
on this one. Yeah, just drag and drop. Okay. Now put a forever loop. There is some noise coming.
It's a song.
Okay.
Ishan,
All
can
right.
you mute your mic?
Okay. Now click on the forever thing and move your mouse over there and see your person is moving. Correct. So our first part was we want to make sure Ben moves as per our mouse.
Mine isn't moving.
Why it is not moving? You have followed the same step. What is over here?
First,
Yes.
first
It
take
should-
that forever thing.
Yeah, I did it. And then set X to mouse X.
Yes, and then you have to move your mouse on that particular area. How
The
about you,
ball.
Sagarika?
Oh, I did the ball. I
Not
did the
the ball. Ben, you have to do.
I by mistakenly did the ball.
Sir, it's working.
Working. Divija, are you also doing it?
Can you say the blocks again?
Yes, sir, I'm doing it.
Okay. For you also it is working?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you say the blocks again, please?
Yeah, Karan, if you can explain.
Yes. See, so we have to click this, and then put the
No.
mouse pointer on that
Where-
person, and then
I just need to see where the set X2 was.
see. Go to sensing. No,
Okay.
sorry. Go to motion.
Yes.
Then scroll down.
I got it. Got it.
It's in the last.
Yeah, I got it.
Then go to sensing, and then
Yeah, I
take
got it.
mouse X, and then put it
Yeah.
inside that circle type of thing, and then click on that block, and then make him move.
Yes. Yes, he's moving.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we will do coding for the ball. Now let's select the ball.
Yeah.
Now, over here, what we will do, what we want to make sure the ball goes here, balls go here, it goes
Everywhere.
here, correct?
Random
Everywhere it
position.
should go.
So like
So-
we did in the snow flag, it goes everywhere.
Random
Correct,
position.
yes. Okay. To do that, let's first move this thing, move 10 steps.
Move 10 steps.
I can't see the okay, yes.
Okay. Then, if this ball hits over here, can you just keep on clicking on move? Keep on clicking on move. Keep on clicking. Keep on clicking. Now it does not come back, right?
Yeah,
We want
if
it
on
to
X,
come back.
then bounce back.
Yes. So now let's put if on edge, bounce. Very good. Okay. Now let's put this in a forever loop. Okay. Then have you put it in forever loop?
Yes.
Okay. Then we will give a starting point to this particular ball. Okay.
What shall I do, sir?
Which one? Sorry, Krivish.
Should I tap on move 10 steps?
Yes, move 10 steps. Yes.
How many times?
No, you don't have to do it. It's just I was showing why we want to add the block if on edge bounce. Okay.
And where is if edge bounce?
So yeah, so if you look at the color, right? Color is blue. So on the left hand side, you will have blue color motion.
Yeah, I see
So
it.
that way you can find it out, right? Based on the colors.
But which here I got it.
Okay.
Yes.
We want this ball starting position to be over here.
Anata kya is?
So Karan, you there?
Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Go to motion and say go to this one. Just drag and drop on the top. No, before forever loop. That is our starting position, right? For the ball.
Sir, which go to?
Wherever you want ball to start, when our program runs, you want ball to start from some location, whichever you want. Okay.
No, sir, which one? Go to random position or go to X
Go
or
to
Y?
X. Go to X.
Okay.
Only go to X.
Correct. Go to X.
I can't see it.
It's
You should be,
down.
right?
It's in motion.
Correct.
Yeah, it's in
Yeah, I am
motion.
in motion. Here. Actually, this computer is a bit old.
How many you have?
What?
Computers.
One.
One. Okay.
I'm going to end my one for my dad.
Okay. So we can start. Okay. So just click on this block now, Karan, and see how
Yeah,
the ball
sure.
behaves.
Karan, you took the XY one. You have to take the two only to X1, right?
No, it's okay. Yeah, it's
Okay.
coming.
Okay. So now ball is bouncing, correct? Now,
Yes.
instead of move 10 steps, if you want to make it move fast, make it move 20 steps. Make it 30 steps.
30. Oh no. Oh, no.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Krivish.
Sir, I'm Divija.
Yes, Divija.
Sir, what value we have to place over here? That go to that one
Go to like wherever you want your ball to start.
over here.
Oh my
Okay.
God, this is very fast.
Over here.
Wherever you want. Okay. So that value will be there.
Yeah, it's working.
It's working. Okay. Now your ball is in the air, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
Sir, so I should put this thing.
No, we'll do slowly we'll do, right? Okay. So first part, what we did, can you move your mouse on
Yeah.
when you select Ben? Select Ben and move your mouse.
Can you do the blocks a bit on the right hand side?
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, now I can. And how much was in go to X? I mean go to Y?
So that is all up to you, Krivish. Where do you want your ball to start the program? That's up to you. You don't have to copy that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And now if you look at the code for ball. Okay. With me so far. Now we want to make sure the next part. Okay. Our ball is moving and our Ben is moving. So two part of our solution is done. Now we want to make sure, can this ball touch Ben or not? Okay.
The ball is going and coming back.
Correct. Yes. Okay. So now, can this ball touch our Ben or not? So that is what we need to do. Correct. Now we have to do coding for it. With me so far?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for that, before that, let's do one thing. Over here, right?
Yeah.
For the ball, add a wait of 0.1 second.
Where?
Just at the end. Yeah. Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. And move should be 50 steps. Make 50 steps. Let's make ball move fast. And click on your loop, forever loop, to see how fast it is. Okay, for everyone, ball is moving this direction or it is coming down also?
1 minute.
It's
Sagarika, for
coming
you,
down
ball.
here.
Hmm?
It's coming down, but it's not so much noticeable.
How about others?
Mine isn't coming down.
It's not so much noticeable.
Okay, no, I just want to ask other people as such.
Mine isn't coming down.
Yeah, mine is also not coming down.
It's not coming down at all. Okay.
Yeah.
Then let's make sure we have an angle over here added. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll add an angle. Okay. So what we'll do, we will say turn, go to motion. Yeah, turn.
Which turn?
So,
Right one
Yeah,
or left one?
let's see how it works. We will come to know, right? And now again play it and see how your ball works.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
working.
So you have to experiment as such. Okay. If it is not moving, why it is not moving, you have to experiment. Now try to turn from 15° to like 25°, 30°. Okay. So, all right. So you can check all those things.
My ball isn't coming to Ben, it's going everywhere.
That is
Yeah.
good, right? That's good. It will not come automatically to Ben. You have to move your mouse for Ben to take it up. Okay.
No, it's only coming to yours is only coming, the current ball is only coming to Ben, but mine isn't.
Current ball is also oscillating. It's not coming towards it,
Um,
right? It's just oscillating.
And mine is
excuse me,
very
sir.
fast.
Yeah, Divija.
Sir, can I share my screen once? And I am having a doubt.
Okay, go ahead.
So here when I'm starting, so it's coming like it's moving all around.
Okay.
Yeah,
But that's
it's
okay,
happening
right?
same
That is
thing.
what we want to do, right? It should move all along. So yours is perfect.
Right. Not this one, not this one. This one.
Okay. So what? So there is nothing wrong in what you are showing me.
No, that's wrong.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, now let's go back to Karan.
And stop sharing.
Divija, you have to stop sharing.
The option will be coming there. Oh no.
Okay. So our two parts are done. We are moving the ball. We are also moving the Ben. Now we have to write a code. What will happen if this ball touches Ben? Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's go back to ball.
Sir, my ball is going in circles.
That is okay. Let it go in circle. It is expected to go in circles. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's stop this and we will write code again. Okay.
Okay.
So our code will be if ball is touching Ben, correct? So we will go to control.
Control.
If, yeah,
This
drag
one,
and
right?
drop if, yes.
Where?
Just drag and drop on your canvas, right? So there's a new piece of code we are writing. Then go to sensing.
Sensing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Krivish.
I can't see what you're doing because there is something white over there.
Is anyone else able to see it or not?
There is a big white thing.
No, I'm just asking others also if they're able to see it or not.
It's fine.
Okay, so
Right,
there is
okay.
something wrong with your laptop then, okay?
It's gone, it's gone, it's gone.
Okay. All right. So we will now write a new piece of code which will say what will happen if this ball touches this. Okay. So if now drag and drop this touching part.
Where?
This in
Oh, yeah,
sensing you
this.
have touching
Where here, right?
over here. No, over here. If in this condition. No.
Sir, touching mouse pointer.
No. Wait.
Yes.
Just give me 1 second. You have to place it over here.
Touching mouse pointer.
Okay.
You're doing it wrong, Karan. You have to place it over here in this condition block
Where?
on the
Oh.
top of it, right?
Oh yeah, I understood. Sorry.
And then and then select over here.
What?
And this drop down is there, right? Select this drop down.
Karan, a bit right.
It's very big. How?
Wait,
Where
wait,
should I go?
wait.
Now
First,
can you
first,
see?
yeah, first let's code it, okay?
No, it's okay if it goes in the backdrop. It will not. Yeah, nobody can see it. But just do it a bit right.
Okay,
So we
so
have to select Ben, no?
yes, we have to select Ben. I think next time we will have Sagarika do it. You're taking too much time, Karan. Okay,
No, sir.
I'm kidding. All right. So select Ben over here. If touching Ben,
Then
so we are saying if this ball, we are at the ball code. If this ball touches Ben, then we have to do something, correct?
yeah.
You with me? That means we need to do a head. So we will say turn, go to motion, go to motion.
Motion, turn. Which one?
Select anyone you want, turn. And then go to operators.
Operator.
And then bounce.
Then go to operators and pick a random over here, this one.
Pick
This,
random.
right?
Yeah, and place it over in this circle. Very good. Just place it in
Pick
this circle.
random.
Yeah.
Not over there. In the turn 15 degree.
Pick random.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, and change the degree over here. Just make it 160 to 200.
160.
And then put a move block.
Where?
After this, put a move block.
This one, right?
Yeah, move probably 50 steps.
Sir, so in the circle that says pick random 1 to 10, instead of 1 to 10, we have to write 162 to 200.
Yeah, because it's a degree, right? So if you guys have read in the mathematics, right, this is
Yeah.
180 degree, correct?
No,
We
Yes,
wanted
didn't.
to pick anything between 160 to 200. You can have any value you want over here.
Yeah.
Now this move should be inside this if loop.
And Karan, I can't see the blocks.
Oh, yes. Now?
A bit, but I can't see all of them.
Or
I have-
Krivish, you can watch this recording also later, right? Then you can practice also. Otherwise,
Okay.
you will not be able to complete anything.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
keep it in this side.
Wait.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now try to see what we are doing. We are saying
How?
if ball is going to touch Ben, then turn the ball and move 50 steps.
Yeah, I did all of that.
Okay. Then put this entire thing in a forever loop.
Okay.
Okay. Now put green flag over here, and put a green flag on the ball, on the Ben also.
Should I do a forever loop for the whole, until move 10 steps, 50 steps?
Yeah.
Correct. We have to put everything in the forever loop. Okay. Now let's run the game. Sagarika, is working for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So if the ball is too fast for you, Karan, then we have to reduce the number of steps.
Yeah.
So are you able to touch the ball and seeing whether ball is hitting or not?
Yeah, it's hitting. Yeah, it's coming.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Krivish.
Should we put all of the codes in the forever block?
Yes, yes.
Not all, we are making
going-
our own
it's go-
blocks. Okay.
No, I didn't understand because I can't put any of the blocks in the forever block anymore because there's nothing to do in down there.
Nothing. Okay, but you can watch this video later, right? I always share the video link. You can always watch it later and then you can practice it. Because your laptop is something that it is very hard for us to make the blocks on the right hand side.
Sir, can I share
yeah.
my screen?
Can you go to
Yes.
can you go to the small screen?
It's fun doing it.
Yeah,
Sir,
now
can I share
in
screen?
the soccer ball.
Let Krivish watch it once.
Okay.
In the soccer ball. Okay, they are different. Okay.
Okay, Sagarika, you wanted to share the screen?
Yeah.
And is there also when green flag clicked in front in above the go to X and Y?
Yes, yes. Everywhere, whatever block you have written, for every block you will now require green flag because we are playing our game by clicking on that green flag.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Sagarika, you wanted to share?
Yeah.
My ball isn't going like you.
Just
Go to
1
full
second,
screen.
Krivish.
It's like coming, it's hitting the ball.
One second.
What do you want to show, Sagarika?
Sir, what happened?
Let the ball come down. It's like hitting. Might is coming. See, yeah, it's hitting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hitting. The ball is going behind.
Okay, so let's do one thing. Change your backdrop. First of all, this backdrop is very fancy. Select a play field.
Sir, you have to watch mines.
Yeah, I'll come to yours also. Select
Sir,
the
should
playing
we do
field.
this?
No, select the playing field.
The pool.
Yeah, I selected.
Okay, and now go full screen and play the game.
Sir,
Now, just give me 1 second. So
Yes.
just cross check. Ball is when it comes in contact, does it go somewhere else or not?
Yes, it goes. Mine it goes. Yes. Oh.
Okay, it's working. Sagarika, okay.
Yeah.
Divija, is it working for you also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very
It
May I
nice.
isn't
show you?
working.
May I show you?
Yeah, please show me.
I missed it. Sir, can you see mines after Divija?
Yeah, sure. I'll come to yours. Okay, Divija.
Yes, sir.
He has not put a green. Acha, no.
Oh, very nice. You can do very good headers.
The ball isn't moving.
Okay, so we have to change the code to see why it is stuck over there. So let's go back to the ball code.
Sir, it is stuck just right now. I saw
Okay.
it 2 to 3 times, but
Okay, then play your game again.
okay.
Just click on that again. So you can always specify the starting position for the ball, right? When the game starts.
Now it's fine.
Yes, now it is hitting, right? Okay. So now let Krivish share the screen.
Yes, sir.
1 second, sir. Do you see it?
Yes.
Not yet.
Wait. Yeah.
Okay, show me the code first. What the code you have written?
Yes. Yes. My ball is very fast.
No, but this is your ball or this is your Ben, right? So show me the ball code.
Just look once at this.
Yeah, so if
The-
it is fast, then we have to reduce the steps, right? Move 50 steps, we have to make it move 20 steps.
And how can I do this screen for the blocks big? This screen big.
This
Excuse me, sir.
screen- So this depends on your laptop configuration, okay?
Okay, then I will just make it a
Sir,
bit.
I have also done it 50 steps only, but it's not moving like this.
It's not moving, or it could be your weight may be more, right? He has put weight of 0.1 second. What is your weight?
Wait, 0.1 second only.
Sir, I
Then
can't reduce the size of this the
you can,
code.
right? You just first have to stop it. So let's click on the
Okay.
red color
Uh,
and then reduce the steps to 25. Let's take for example 25.
But look, here is
so
a
there's something.
here is the
There will be a magnifying glass which shows minus kind of.
here is the magnifying glass, but I can't see this
Or
minus
there
one.
is a equal to type of thing.
No, actually he is using dual monitor. That's why it is happening. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm using it with a mouse.
Yes. Okay. All right.
It isn't going. I can't see the minus magnifying glass.
Okay.
What should I do?
So this is something which I cannot help you because that is how your laptop is set up.
No, because first it was I can see it properly, but now it's just gone.
Okay.
Is there any other way?
Or I can talk to your father later on and then we can troubleshoot it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let Karan take it back.
Yep.
Okay. So our game is still not over. Okay. And there was a very good question from
Sir,
Sagarika.
sir,
Yes.
I got it. I found it.
What was the reason?
I was moving in the halves. Look, like you have to see it. After the screen where the backdrops are, there is also one arrow up and down. I was using the middle one. I have to use
Okay.
the
Got
like right hand side one.
Okay. All right. So now we have to improve on our game. So let's open the backdrop. Let's open the backdrop. No, not like this. Just click on the backdrop that we have.
Oh, sorry.
Go back. Click on the backdrop.
Which one? Oh, this one.
Yeah. Okay. Now go to the backdrops. Okay. No. Wait. Let's remove the backdrop that we are not using. Let's just delete the other backdrops. Yeah. Okay.
Which backdrop is this? This is like we have to design.
We are using this one.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Then select this.
Sir,
Yeah.
when I'm going in costumes, I can't see the backdrop. I can just see a large ball.
Click.
You have to
Click.
click the backdrop, right? On the right hand side bottom. The
There
stage
is
is there.
a stage. There you just have to click and then you have to go to costume.
Sir, you can do that red marker on this.
Yes, I think he
Yeah,
knows.
but which one is it? First,
Sir
second,
has
or
done a
third?
red marker there. Click on that.
I actually can't see it because I'm doing it on the
Wait,
other
I'll
screen.
stop share and then you start.
No, I got it. Oh, I took the wrong one.
Okay. So now what we need to do, we are saying our game is if the ball is going to hit this red part, our game is over. Okay. So what we will do,
Okay.
so let's let me do it for 2 minutes. Okay. So you guys just watch it. Okay.
So I'll give you remote control.
Wait, no, you will do it. but do not ask more questions. Just listen. Okay. Over here, wait. Over here, make it
So,
30. Yeah, Divija.
so in this one, I'm facing problem. I'm not able to do this one, the backdrop one.
Okay, I'll come to you. Okay, so let me first finish this.
Yes.
Okay, you can
Yes.
just watch. So we have made this as 30. Okay.
Yes.
Then select over here red color.
Hmm.
चाय पिएगी?
Just move this to
No.
red.
नहीं मना कर रहे हो।
Move this to red, the above
Yes,
one.
sir. This is red. Okay. The same color is it?
Yes. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Now click somewhere outside.
Where?
Just click it over here, like this one, right? Yeah. Just draw your thing. So from your mouse, just keep on drawing over here. Very good. Keep on drawing.
Sir, what did you do there?
Yeah, I'll show you again. So you are at the backdrop, right? Then we selected this line.
Yes, sir.
Then we selected the color,
Okay.
and then we are just drawing it
But how is it so thick?
because we put a number 30 over here.
Okay, I will do that also.
Okay. So meanwhile, if you are doing Divija, if you can share your screen.
Yes, sir. So I have done till here. Now just first I have to go here.
First, you need to select the backdrop, right? So backdrop is over here, right? This is your backdrop at the background. Just select over here. Click over here.
So okay.
Then click over here. Then click on this.
Okay.
Then make
Here
this
30.
30.
Yes.
Then select color as red. Okay. And then keep on, no. And then just click somewhere outside.
Yes.
And now start drawing it over here.
Yes.
Just drag your mouse.
Sir,
Yes.
my fill with color tool is not working.
Okay, you have to share your screen.
Okay. Let me show steering.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Krivish.
Can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure. I'll just working on her problem, Sagarika. Yeah,
Okay.
Sagarika.
See, when I press fill with color tool, I can't
No,
fill.
you don't have to fill, right? You have to select the line as such. First of all, below that, do you have a button convert to bitmap or something?
Yeah,
So let's convert to bitmap.
okay.
Okay, and now whatever you have done, you have to erase it. Instead of that, let's delete this backdrop and select it again.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Karan, all done?
Yeah.
Show me.
1 second, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, Krivish.
how can I bring the red thing down?
Okay, show me your screen first.
Yes. This red thing over here. This.
How you can bring it down? but you
Yeah.
have drawn it over there, right? So now we cannot bring it down. So you have to
So,
delete your backdrop, add a new black backdrop, and then draw it
You
again.
can fill it down with that brush kind of thing.
where can I put the backdrop? Okay, from here.
Yeah, let's delete both of them and select your backdrop again.
It isn't going.
It should go, right?
Sorry,
What is this black thing coming?
it isn't going.
Okay, then no issue. You can select one more backdrop, right?
Okay. What was the name of it?
Play field.
You just go to sports now. You will see it.
Okay. Yeah, here. Thank you.
Welcome.
And
Okay.
I have to draw the line again. Where
Correct.
do I
Yes.
have to draw?
Please come again. What was the question?
Where do I have to draw it?
Draw it at the bottom, right? At the bottom level. Yeah.
Like
Let's,
here?
yes.
Can we also? Okay. Wait. I stopped sharing.
Okay. Let's go to Karan now. Okay, Karan. Right. So now we have to write a new block of code. Now go back to the ball. Go to code. Now our intention is whenever this ball touches this red color, our game is over. Correct? That is what we want to do. So we will say again, if, drag and drop the if block. If, then go to sensing. Say touching.
Where? This.
Touching color, the one below that. Touching color and select over here and click on this particular thing. And drag over here. Yeah, and then leave it. Okay. If it is touching, okay, then what we need to do, we need to stop everything. Okay. You with me so far?
Yes.
Sir, my playground is erased a bit.
I'll come to you. Okay. Go to control. And there will be something known as stop all. So this is stop all. So put stop all over here.
Sir, my motion is gone.
It must be somewhere. I'll come to you. Okay. Let me just finish this. Now put this
Yes.
entire thing into forever and then a green flag on the top. I just want to make sure you guys understand what you are doing. We have a big problem. We divided into small parts and now we are making our code for it.
Sir, mine is done.
Wow, very nice. So let Karan first play it. Okay, Karan, just show me it is working or not. If ball touches below, then
Sir?
it should
Let's-
all.
Sir, can you show me the code?
Yeah, just give 1 second.
Touch,
Yeah,
nothing
it's working,
happened.
right?
Yeah.
It's nothing means your game is over.
Sir,
Correct?
where is? Sir,
So-
where
So, sir, we can something write game over after it.
Yes,
touch.
you can do it, right? That you can do it after this meeting also.
How
So
can we write but?
come again?
What?
Okay, now let me first go to
is?
Krivesh.
Sir?
Let me first go
Sir?
to Krivesh. Okay.
Okay, wait. Karan, stop sharing.
Uh,
So which codes do I have to take?
So you are doing it for the red color, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you go to sensing,
Yes.
scroll up to the sensing. Yeah, scroll up.
Yes.
Keep on scrolling up.
It is only this much. There are only there are only 13 blocks for sensing.
You don't have touching or what?
No, it's all gone. Maybe
All
if I
gone.
do this.
Then probably we need to restart it, or
Do Control Z.
Sir, even I don't have.
you don't have touching.
Yeah, I don't have touching.
What's wrong?
It's gone.
Do Control Z.
I did it.
How about you, Divija? Do you see touching or not?
In sensing.
Sensing, yeah.
Sir, it was there. Now it's not there.
Yeah.
But everyone, it's gone at one go only. Then something wrong with the program, not with you guys, with this program. Let's go back to current screen then. And Sagarika, if you can share again.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Sir,
Yeah, because you are at the backdrop level. You're not at the sprite level, right?
Oh.
Next time I will start asking you for chocolates if you do all these mistakes. Okay. So one
can I
chocolate
share
from
my
Sagarika.
screen?
Yeah, Divija, go ahead.
And sir,
Yes, Divija.
it's me, not Divija.
Oh, sorry, Krivish, sorry.
The erase thing is here. Can you see it?
Sir, I'm not able to see what's this. Wait. Yes.
Yeah, Divija, tell
What's
me.
this?
This
over
is
here?
probably when you went to the backdrop, right? Now go to your backdrop, select your backdrop.
Okay. And here.
Sir,
Yes.
can you see
So
mine?
can you
Yes, sir.
erase it? Did you added something like
Sir,
you must? Okay, then
So-
remove. Yeah, then let's do one thing. Let's delete your backdrop, add your new backdrop again, add a
okay.
red line again, okay?
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, the same happened to me.
Same thing. Okay. All right, now let's go back to Karan.
Sir, can you see mines?
Okay, Krivish, show me.
Where should I put the all over the red thing, and in the ball or the in Ben?
You have to put in the ball because every coding we are doing in the ball itself, right? If ball is going to touch red, then we have to stop all.
Touch color red, right?
Correct, yeah.
Wait, I have to scroll down. This mouse is a bit broken. And then which block?
So you have to go to the if block.
Yes. And then this over here.
Correct. And when you say touching color, you have to click on that color as such. You will
But
get
color
a,
it has
yeah,
to be.
so that's what I'm saying. So you have to click on this, no, wait. Click on this
Yes.
and then drag and drop to see which color it is. Yeah, drag there and then just drop it. Yeah. So it will automatically select that particular color for you. Not
Like,
the green color, right? We want red color. Just click. Yes, you are done. Okay.
okay. And do I have to do anything else here?
Yes. So
all.
what we want to do, if this is touching, then our program should stop. So we have
Where
something
is-
called as
yeah.
stop all. Yeah.
All stop.
Now stop
Yeah.
all will be in the if block.
Yeah, I got it. And can you just help me doing the game over thing?
This is the game over only, right? So this is stop all right now. This means your
No,
game is
so
over.
the message comes game over.
So how do we do message? We go to looks and say something, correct?
Okay, so
Yes.
no, like I want that it comes like we did a sign in the symbol in the Google. It comes like that game over.
Then you have
The
to
symbol.
create a new backdrop with name game over, and then you will change the backdrop.
Okay, and this white thing.
White thing is you have to
But if
delete
the
this.
game is over, so that time it should come, right?
Game is over. Come again.
I think when the game is over, then I think a message. I think there is
Yeah, a message should come.
a message should
Game
come
over.
from the
Yeah.
boy that game over. And I
Yes.
think we have this option in the code.
Okay.
Have it, but
So
Say game over.
all
Like-
right. So let's proceed. Otherwise, okay. So all these things you can practice later on also, right? That's why I'm meeting after 2 to 3 days. You guys can do it. Okay. So let's go back to Karan.
Okay.
Karan,
Now,
you have to keep this thing down.
yeah, I know.
okay. So now one thing pending is scoring. So every time you hit a ball, you want to give a score to yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's go and select the ball again. For scoring, go to variables.
Sir,
And
do I have to do the red thing again?
yes, you have to do it again.
Okay.
And click on make a variable.
We already did it, so there's already a score thing.
For you.
Yes.
For this particular class or some other class?
No, we already did it. Score. Oh, maybe I did only score variable because last Tuesday or something I tried to make a soccer game, but it
Okay.
was too hard for me.
Nothing is too hard. You're very smart.
No,
So,
the guy is doing it so fast that I don't understand anything.
okay. So now let's name the variable as score. Type score over there. Say okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please repeat the scoring one?
So scoring, you go to
Same
variables
here.
Okay.
and then say make a variable.
Okay.
Then
Then we
you
search score.
then you have to create a score variable. If you can share your screen.
Okay. Just one. Yes. Now I have to go on make a variable.
Name it
And-
score.
Okay. So it should be capital or small?
Let's make it capital. Looks better, right?
Yes.
You call it capital or you call it uppercase? What do you call?
Capital.
Capital you call. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's continue with your screen only. Okay. So we have a score of 0. So very
Okay.
first thing what we need to do is we will say if statement, right? If ball is going to touch Ben. So we will
If
try
will be in control.
controls. Yeah. If
Sir,
Krivish.
um, the line isn't going straight like divisor.
That
Line
you have
is
to
going
practice.
wiggly.
Yeah. That you need to practice with your mouse. Then
Yeah,
only it will go.
the first time I did it correctly, but now it isn't.
But that is all practice, Krivish. Okay, because
Yes.
she knows laptop mouse very well. She's able to draw it. Okay.
Yes.
So we will do if sensing, right? Now let's go to sensing.
Oh, okay. Here.
Yeah, touching.
Touching over here.
Yeah, put it over there. If ball is touching Ben. Yeah,
Here.
Jordan.
Jordan.
For you it is Jordan. Then
Okay.
go to variables.
Okay,
Sir,
over here.
Just one second. Go to variables and say change my variable by 1. This one. Yeah, just drag it.
okay, nothing. I got it.
And over here, just select your variable score.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's see what we are doing over here. Okay. Wait. Don't go there in the code itself.
Okay.
You have to close this add has come.
Sir, we don't have to put a green flag on that. If
We will do it. We'll do it slowly. We are saying
Sir,
if, yeah, Krivish.
which blocks do we have to take? Can you see it?
We are taking the same blocks, right? So just think about it. If ball is going to touch the player, that means sensing. And then when it searches, we
And
have to
what should
increase. We should increase the
What's
score by 1. So we are saying
okay?
change score by 1. Okay. So before that, we have to make score as 0. So makes a variable set score, set my variable, this one, this
Over.
one.
Huh.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
what do we have to write in
Just
the?
drag and drop this on the top.
Excuse
Where?
me, sir.
Yeah, Krevish.
Where should we? What should we write in the new variable name?
Score. The name
Okay.
should be score.
Okay.
You with me, Deveja? What we have done so far?
Yes.
Okay. So now put this entire thing in a forever loop and then put a flag on top of it.
Can you see mines after division?
Yeah, sure. Let me first make sure that everyone has
Yes.
done this.
Here and then the forever. Yes. Done.
And then put a green flag on it.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Now let's play the game and see.
So wait. Yeah, it's done.
Sir.
Sir, I didn't
your
get
ball
how
is very
to make
fast.
score.
Your ball is very fast. Let's make sure your ball is slow so that you get some score as such.
Sir, I didn't
So,
get how to do scoring.
Okay,
Sir,
I'll come.
it's not scoring.
It should score as such.
Can you
If it
start
is
again,
touching,
Divija?
okay. I'll stop share.
no, please,
No,
please,
no, no.
don't stop sharing because
Start share and then show how it's coming.
See.
so first just reduce the steps as such so that I want to make sure you're able to hit the ball. Instead of move 50 steps, make it 20 steps.
Over here.
Yes, yeah. And
done.
and over here also make move 20 steps.
Here?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Done.
Okay, now let's go full screen and see.
Sir, can you do mines after him?
Okay,
I mean
wait.
after her.
But it's
So-
not moving. The score.
Yes,
Score.
Okay, so let's find it out why this is not happening also, right? So we have to cross check that.
And it's just going round and round. Don't know why. How. Last 2-3 times it was going right. We all saw
Okay,
it.
so let's go back to your code. Let's try to fix that.
Sir,
code,
it's
right?
not scoring. It's only 0.
Yeah, so
Yes,
let's try
yes.
to understand why this is happening. Okay, what we have done is we have a forever loop.
Yes.
Forever loops run, it makes score as 0. Then again it runs, it makes score as 0. So this should be
Okay.
before the forever loop.
This one.
Yeah, this set score 0
Oh.
should be before the forever loop.
So
You have
first I
to
have
separate
to.
it out. Yeah, let's separate it out one by one.
Good.
Good.
And then like.
No. So this if should be within the forever loop.
Yes, and
Okay.
now like this. Done.
Yeah. So
Sir, can
now,
you do mines after?
yeah, sure. First, let's make sure for her it is working. Now let's try it
Yes.
again.
Okay. Now also it's going.
Wait,
No.
no, it's working. Okay. It's just that now you have to change how your ball is moving, right? You have to change that code. But if you
Yes.
see your score is changing, correct?
Yes, and
Sir, might is not changing. I don't know why.
So you have to cross check. It's all in the coding, right? Have you used the right
Sir,
blocks
can
or
I
not?
share a
and
Yeah, Devija.
so the game is not. I think it's not interesting because it's too slow.
Then make it fast. You have to make it move fast, right? You made it
Okay.
20.
Yes, I made it 20. So can I make it 30 or 35 like that?
Yes, it's up to you. Now you are playing the game. If you feel
Yes.
this is too slow, you can keep on changing it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So
Sir,
now
can
let's go
I
to Krevish. No, let's first Krevish.
Yes.
1 second. Share the screen. Yeah. Wait. Where is it? Yeah.
So I think Sagarika is asking something.
Okay, but let me first see what
Yeah, which
Gravish
codes
is
do
doing.
I have to do here?
It's actually a lot of black screen that okay. Where are you stuck right now, Gravish?
Over here, which do I have to do? Which
Uh,
codes?
no. So what is that you want to do? You want to
The
uh,
code for the score
score
and then
score. Okay.
yeah,
So
score.
Sagarika can also watch. First, you have to go to variables,
Yeah,
then make a variable. You have
I
done that,
did
right?
it. Yeah.
Very good. Then you are saying if my ball is going to touch.
So I will take if
Yes, you
I
have
I
taken if, right? Then you'll go
yeah.
to sensing because it
Sensing.
is sense, right? If it is going
Yeah,
to touch, select the touch, the first one.
touching.
No, the
Yeah,
first one. Yeah, place
yeah.
it over. If it is touching
Ben.
your bin, then you want to make sure your counter goes up by 1, right? You will again go
Yeah,
back to variables.
yeah.
You will
So
say
change
change my variable by 1.
here.
Yeah, correct. And then select what is that variable score.
Change the score.
Okay. Now
Yeah,
this you will put it in a forever loop. But before that,
yeah,
you will make sure that the variable is set to 0. First let's put this into a forever loop.
yeah, yeah.
And on top of it, go back to the variables
Where is it?
over
Okay.
here,
Yeah,
variables. Set, drag and drop this one, the set one.
yeah.
Set score to 0.
Yes.
Over here, you have to select. Before you start your game, you want score to be 0, right? And then only it should get incremented.
Yeah, and should I put the
Yeah,
green flag clicked?
correct. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And is this all correct up here?
If it is touching, no.
Here.
If it is touching red color, then you want to stop the game, right? So we'll have
Yeah.
stop all.
Stop
So
would be
would
here.
be, yeah. If it is touching, then do this. Then this also should be in a forever loop, and then there should be green flag.
Okay.
Okay. Karan, you are all good?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So now you guys
And
can,
the other things are correct or not?
we have to play the game and see, right? If something is not working, then we have to look into the code, try to find out why it is not working. Okay.
Yeah, the
For you, the ball is too fast. So we have to change the move, right?
it's going and stopping. Like I have to do it. It's
Uh, yeah, so then you have to go to your code blocks, make some changes. For example,
but
make
where
it.
and how?
Okay, so this ball is fast, right? That means I have to go to the ball code,
Okay.
correct? So if I go to the ball
Ball
code,
code. Yes.
then why it is fast? Because there is a move 50 steps. I'll make move as 10 steps.
This one.
Yes. And then I will run my program to see if it makes any changes or not. Still it
Okay, and
does not.
it's
Yeah. So
too
now
fast.
again go back and see, are we using move anywhere else? Yes, we are using over here also. So here also make it 10. Okay. Then run your program again.
It is
Okay.
slow, but
Yes, but now you have to move your mouse fast, right? To make sure it does not come down.
okay. So
Or make it move 5 if you want to make it slow further. Okay. All right.
and the pen isn't going with my mouse. Look.
It's mouse, it should go, right? You have to go back to your program
Okay,
or
now it
run
is.
your program. It should move. Okay.
Yeah, like
Okay,
that.
now your score is also very nice. You can do good heading. Okay. Very nice.
Yeah.
So we all good? Everyone is able to do it?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, but if you don't practice, it will all go waste. Okay, so keep on thinking what all new things you can do. Okay,
Yes.
all right.
How did you do that? In more? I
Okay,
can't
this is
see.
what thumbs up. Okay.
I always can't see it.
Go
How
to
do-
reaction.
Reaction.
I can raise
Control.
my hand. Wait, where?
Uh,
Control R. No, sorry. Go
What?
to reactions.
Reactions. Is it down there anywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah, where share is, there's a reaction button.
You
I
know now
have,
where
Sir,
share
can we
screen is?
continue?
yes.
At the side of share screen we have record, and then at the side of that record we have reactions.
I have that only if someone shares the screen. I have
Okay.
that only if
Okay,
someone.
I'll share the screen.
Okay, do it.
Oh, sorry.
Karan, you have any questions or
No.
we are good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. But then thank you again, everyone, for your time. Anything else?
No.
Ishan, you were able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you
Okay,
see
very
it?
good. Okay, so now you can play the game with Karan also. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So next time, probably we'll have you also share your screen. Okay, Krivish did thumbs up. Okay, then everyone, bye. Have a good weekend, and please have a safe one. Okay, bye.
So next time we will
So,
continue
next
this.
class, when will it be?
The next class, I send you the link, right? So you have to click on that link to register. Okay.
Can we
Next
do?
class,
Can we?
it will be on Monday, right?
Monday, no, I think it will be on Tuesday. Monday, I'm occupied at this time. It will be on
So
Tuesday.
Monday we can do our personal classes.
Yes, you guys can meet personally.
Is it okay?
And Karan, you didn't do. You didn't send the
I
mail.
invited you.
You did? I didn't see
Yeah.
any.
Sir, add Ishan also for that thing. His
Wow.
email account.
Okay.
Karan, you didn't send me, but
Do
I
you
didn't
have
saw
it,
it.
or I'll give you?
I maybe I didn't downloaded Zoom. That's why. Is it like that something?
No, it
No.
would be in there in an email, I believe. Okay, so you have to check with your
Oh,
father whether he
Wait.
received any email or not.
yes.
Sir,
This time someone else do.
yeah,
Yes,
I'll
Divija, you
only.
were saying something?
And Karan,
No.
what's your email like that? What's written in the email?
Wait.
Like everyone's name is written there.
Okay, then I will leave.
Sir,
You guys
wait.
can continue to talk. Not a problem. The meeting will still continue. Okay.
Sir, wait. I'm
Yes.
sending you Ishan's ID.
Ishan email I have. If he has registered over there, okay, then I have his email ID also. Okay.
I
Sorry.
think he's not. I'll just give you.
No, but point, Karan, is that you have to register over there so that I come to know who all is going
Yeah,
to
he has
attend.
registered.
Okay.
He has registered.
Then for the next class also, if he register, then he will get the meeting invite. Okay.
Where is a chat button?
All right. You guys continue. I will leave the meeting. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye,
Sir,
everyone.
next time Angad will come.
I don't know. You guys missed him or what? Okay. I'll
Just
tell him.
asking.
I'll tell him. Okay.
Sorry.
Bye, everyone.
Okay,
Bye.
sir. Bye.
Bye.
Karan,
Yeah.
where is the chat button? So I will give you my email that so you can give it to me. Because last time I didn't get it. Where is it?
Yeah,
The
It's
chat.
where
I'll give you wait my email ID.